Hello, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna put together the Lex Resin 4-in-1 electric resin sander and polishing machine. I know yesterday I did a bunch of work on this, showing it off, but this way I can just do it officially and turn it into a tutorial. And please don't ask me why everything's backwards and upside down and whatnot. Everything's new again because I'm doing it on a laptop now. This is the grinding hub. That is sanding circles. That's a buffer. That's more sanding discs. Plug. It goes into here. These are this is one of the barrels. Grinding wheel. Cable. That's the hood. And this is the base. We have to start with this. We can get rid of these. We can put you where you belong. You down here. Now, if you want to put your hood on, there's a button right here. Lift this up. You take this, and you match it up with these. And mind you, it is very tight, but you will be able to get it in there. Done. And yes, the suckers work really well. Put this back in. Don't really need to push this button to put it back in. Okay. And we have the hand sander. I don't know, can you see that? Okay, this was working. What in the hell? It was working beautifully yesterday, so I don't get. I don't think you can see the numbers with this on. Take that off. Oh, that sucks. Put it on. Ah, that's number two. I don't know if you can actually see that. That'd be kind of quiet. Turn that off. Okay. This is a small one. The hell was the heck? There you go. I'm seeing hair. Nice little cushion on the end here. It comes off. And we can stick a sanding wheel on it. Always have problems putting these together like that. Okay. All set. And you can work. You see it running. You take this off. Put this on. This. This is a little tight. Ah, and it's really top heavy. You aware of that? This you can use for stones and metals, I guess. Well, that's interesting. I don't remember seeing that before. This is your bumping wheel. And if you want, you could hook this up to your computer, or you could hook it up to your wall socket or power strip. And that's about it. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment. What do you use yours for? And if you have done work with this, please send me a link. And if you like what I do, If you like my videos, please share, subscribe, hit that bell. And if you wish to do more, please check out my about section. Have a great day. Namaste.